And look at this. It's so pretty. The beach. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And my hotel is like right there. No, actually it's over there. But it's really near. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I got a room. I got like the last room that was opened. And it's so pretty, and I got like the best weekend because it's so hot. And my voice is gone though, but it's okay. It's still worth it.
Haven't you thought about that? How can I live without your love? 'Cause I'm nothing without you. How can I live without your love? I'm nothing without simple text and call.
Hey guys, so I just arrived near the temple, so I'm waiting for my friend right now. But the weirdest interaction like happened at the beach, and like this guy that's a YouTuber like approached me and asked, like, and I was like, oh, I'm also a YouTuber. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for my friend. That was such a weird interaction. I feel so bad.
I'll play pretend in a world where I could be a man for someone who would take my hand so we could drift away. But in reality, I wish that possibly that someone could find their way to my heart.
Looks so good. That's crab, right? Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's really good.
Oh, that's good. Okay guys, so we're now on our way to the like Sky Capsule. Do you want to say hi?
Hi guys, I'm Laura.
So this is my new Busan friend.
Yes.
But she's already leaving next weekend.
Yeah.
But anyways, yes, so we're heading there. We're on time. We were
Yes.
so stressed about the time.
We're going to make it.
We're gonna make it, yes. So we'll see you there.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by in a hotel without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want beside. I imagine we fell in love on that under moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be?
아직
맛있어요?
너무 맛있어요.
forever with me. My love will always stay by you. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you won't let it go. I'll trust the universe will always bring me to you. I imagine we fell in love on that wonder moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the wind, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your hand, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Okay guys, so I have arrived to my hotel. I'm staying like Gwanganli hotel. I feel like my voice is slightly getting worse as the day goes by. So let me do a little tour of the room. I got like the last possible room opened for the weekend I took, so I'm happy about that. Here you have to wash your hand. I guess you have like shampoo, body wash here. Oh, water bottle. But then the shower is here. So I guess you bring them from here to here. So you got a shower here. And then here you have the actual bathroom. And here is the bedroom. So you got a little desk. Again, some water, and there's this. This is for me. Ooh. Ooh. Popcorn. 2 little orange juice. Oh, there's vitamin C in this. Perfect. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. And it says my name. 다시 돌아옵니다. Am I even reading this well? Like, come back. Yeah, that's cute. I'm so keeping this. And yeah, here is the view. And I thought I would get the water view because I think I asked for the water view, but it's okay. I'll do the trick. Okay, I'll stop procrastinating and I will go writing. I am back, changed into jeans and got my vest. I'm gonna head outside because there's the drone like show, so I'm so excited.